Hey guys, what's going on? Jamar here with Future Affiliate Pro, and today I have an amazing video for you guys. If you guys are interested in learning how to make money with other people's products, also known as affiliate marketing. What I'm going to do is I'm going to pull the curtain back a little bit and I'm going to show you what the super affiliates are doing and what I did in 2020 to be able to earn my first 5-figure commission month. So if this sounds like something that you're looking for, great. Make sure you guys stay all the way to the end of this video because you're not going to want to miss a single step. But before we get into this video, if you guys can do me a huge favor, hit that subscribe button and also hit that notification bell so you can be notified when I come out with new videos. And last but not least, hit that like button because you know it helps the YouTube algorithm. All right, so let's get right into this video and I'm going to show you exactly what you can do in 2021 to start earning commissions daily. Okay, so you may or may not have heard of this, but it's called the ABC content funnel. And how the content funnel works is you're basically taking your audience through a path where you're continuously warming them up from one stage to the next. And I'm going to cover all of this in this presentation, okay? So it all starts with traffic, right? It all starts with your audience. And that audience can be anything from your Facebook posts to Quora posts. If you don't know what Quora is, it's a question and answer site. Also, you could do this from Reddit posts or you can do this from Instagram. Now, I highly suggest everybody start with the best traffic source in social media right now, which is TikTok. So this is your C content. This is where it all starts. This is a free content strategy. You do not need any money to use this strategy, and it can be highly profitable. And you'll see that as we go through this. This audience gets funneled towards one source, and that source is YouTube. And we're going to call YouTube our B content. Now, remember I talked about warming up our audience. We're taking basically cold traffic from our social media sites and we're trafficking them towards YouTube. Now, why YouTube? Because YouTube is the best place for you to be able to provide more value and provide more information to your prospective lead, customer, client, or whoever you're trying to get to your products or services. Okay? So the B content is primarily going to be YouTube. And you guys can go ahead and look at everything I have set up. I am using this exact system. I started using it in 2020, and that's why I think I was able to start seeing so much success. So as your audience gets warmed up on YouTube, you can then send them over to Facebook. It's highly encouraged that you guys create a private Facebook group where you can take and nurture your leads, because nurturing your leads is how you'll build a relationship with them, how they'll get to know, like, and trust you. You're going to need to be in front of them as much as possible, right? You need to have an omnipresence. Well, you can do that with your Facebook group, okay? So after we are in the B content, whenever you send them to your Facebook group or when you send them to your A content, which we'll get to in a second, you're going to want to have an opt-in. This is because as an affiliate marketer, you need to be creating your list, okay? And this is two different places where you can collect an email. So if you have a simple opt-in before on the Facebook platform, before they actually join your Facebook group, you can snag their email there, or from the description section of your YouTube, when you give a strong call to action in your YouTube video, they'll be going over to your landing page, a lead magnet page, or something where they'll have to opt in so that you can grab their email address. So when they go through and they opt in from your description section of YouTube, they then go into what I like to call a content upgrade, right? This is like the maximum, most amount of value that you can give your lead before you send them over to a sales page. We're going to call this the A content. And it can be things like a webinar, training, a video sales letter, or a PDF. And what I found that works really, really well is training or a course that it empowers them and educates them to want to make a purchasing decision, right? It's a course that teaches them maybe how to use a software or how to set something up or how a particular product is going to benefit them. Say like a legendary marketer program, right? If you give them support through training, then they're more likely to purchase that particular program that you're partnered with, okay? So what's really great about your Facebook group is now that they're in your Facebook group and they're seeing your content every single day, whether it's just social media posts, you going live inside your Facebook group, or just conversating with people in the posts, you can then make a post which then sends them back to the webinar, the training, the VSL, or the PDF. You can always, and what this content funnel really is it's a huge cycle of how you can move people amongst different places to provide the maximum amount of value so that when they do end up on the sales page, they end up converting, okay? You can also, when you send them from your Facebook group, you can have another opt-in, right? You can place them either on another list or the same list for this particular training that you have. So obviously from your webinar, your training, your VSL, your PDF, through that content upgrade, they're then sent over to the product, right? And that product, in my opinion, should be high ticket, should be a high ticket with a value ladder, and also possibly include some type of monthly recurring income. So it's either one of the two or both of them. Some type of monthly recurring income. This is super, super important. Why? Because it will then allow you to build up to a point where you have monthly recurring income coming in and you can now scale with paid ads. So the next piece to this is you've been collecting their email addresses. And all that does is it allows you to do three specific things. The first thing is it allows you to do is send people back to a webinar or training, a VSL or PDF. That's all you need to do, because you just need to place that course, that content upgrade in front of them as many times as possible. And you can do this as many times as you want, as long as they stay on your email list. Okay? So here's the next benefit is from your email, whenever you post a new YouTube video, you can then send them a link to your YouTube video and send them over to your channel to consume more of your content. What this does is it allows your YouTube channel to grow because it's more views, it's more engagement, and you guys will see it's just like one big cycle. So off of your emails, they're getting your YouTube videos, which allows for view velocity and more engagement on your YouTube channel, which allows your YouTube channel to grow, which the more your channel grows, the more people are going to see your content, because YouTube is going to push it to more and more people as your subscriber count starts to grow, right? So it doesn't just affect YouTube. It also affects your Facebook group, right? So you can take your emails and you can invite people from your emails to your Facebook group. So as your Facebook group grows, once it hits about 1,000 members, Facebook starts to recommend it to other similar groups inside of private groups. Your page will actually come up. And when this happens, your group will dramatically grow really, really fast, which then allows you to send more people towards your content upgrade, right? Allows you to send more people to the webinar, to the training, to your VSL, which then you can then send them over to your high ticket, your value ladder, and your monthly recurring revenue products. Okay? And the last but not least is you can actually send congruent offers from your email list to other products and services that you're promoting, right? They're very similar, or will benefit your audience. All right. So this looks like there's a lot of moving pieces here, but there really isn't. It's really just broken down into these three. You take your C content, your social media traffic, then you funnel it towards YouTube. You provide more value and you give a strong call to action to either enter into your Facebook group or to check out your free webinar, your free training, your free video sales letter that for the product or service that you're promoting. Then once they consume that value, that content upgrade, that increased, enhanced value from your training, then the buttons will be there for them when they decide, yes, I'm ready to make a purchasing decision, or I want to go ahead and check out the sales page. And they are so warmed up to at that point that they will go over to the product page and they will purchase either the monthly recurring revenue product or the high ticket product, or they will enter into a value ladder. Okay. Last but not least, on that A content level at the bottom of your funnel is an email list that's constantly growing because people are coming in from YouTube and your Facebook group. You're collecting them through opt-in or lead magnet pages to which you can then promote any different type of product you want to. That's it for the ABC content funnel. Let me know in the comments down below if this is, if you're confused, if you guys need help. I will do the best I can to clarify some things for you. Let me know if this is a strategy that you're already implementing in your own affiliate marketing business. This is what super affiliates are doing. This is what I did in 2020. And this is how I was able to start seeing 5-figure months. If you guys got value out of this video, I would love it. Again, if you guys gave me a thumbs up. And there's going to be a lot of great content coming out just like this, helping you guys grow your affiliate marketing businesses the right way. There is definitely a wrong way of doing affiliate marketing. I see it every single day and it drives me absolutely crazy. If you guys follow a proven strategy that works, just like the ABC content funnel, there is no doubt in my mind that you will see success in 2021 with your affiliate marketing business. All right, guys. So until the next video, have a good one. Peace out.